In this video, I'm showing you how to create a company or business page in LinkedIn. So let's get into it. Creating a company page in LinkedIn is especially useful if you're self-employed, so that you have a logo for where you work and it doesn't just look like you're a weird scammer. So let's show you exactly how to do this. You need to click up here where it says for business. Then you scroll down and click create a company page. Then click company. And here is where you add all the information to create your company page. So you add the title, you add the URL you want to create, you add your website, you choose what industry you're in. I will choose marketing services, of course. Organization size, organization type, and then you can add your logo here. It should be 300 by 300. And then you can also add a tagline, which is basically like the headline for your LinkedIn profile. If you want to know how to write your tagline, watch my video on how to write your headline for your LinkedIn profile. That will give you some good pointers in the right direction. Then you click this button, verify that you're a representative of the organization. Then you should read the LinkedIn page's terms. Should. But then you actually click create page. So that's how that works. And after you click create page, your company page will be created. It's that simple. Do you know what else can be so simple? Creating 2 months of content on LinkedIn. If you download my 74 LinkedIn post ideas and hooks with examples, you'll be able to do just that. You'll never run out of content ideas again. And the best news is it's absolutely free. All you need to do is click on the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. If you got any questions or any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know in the comment section down below. See you in the next video.